Oh yeah, that's a shark. That's a shark.
Want the other balls in?
Yep, bring him in. Hello everybody and welcome to Third Beard Fishing. Today we are out at the Indian River Lagoon doing some shark fishing. It's kind of rainy tonight, but we're going to see what can happen. Brought something a little different tonight. We actually brought out my wife's kayak because mine's a little bit bigger and this one just is a lot easier. It's a paddle kayak to drop some baits a little bit further, see if that makes a difference at this spot. And we got our other two blue rods out to see if we can't drum up some interest, and we're just gonna stay out for a while and see what happens. I got my good buddy Nick here. He's hoping to get him on a shark tonight, and we're gonna see how things go. So hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get fishing. Before we begin this awesome video, I want to show you guys something. My views are mostly from non-subscribers, about 86%. So if you guys are watching this and you are not subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps out the channel and I greatly appreciate your subscription. Now, back to this awesome video. Yes. Most places in the Indian River Lagoon are fairly shallow, average is about 6 to 7 feet. This particular area is really shallow until it gets really far out, and in this particular time lapse you can see how far out I had to go to really get the baits in position to get a good potential bite for a shark. Now we've fished here one other time and all we did was cast out, and we got absolutely no hits, no bites whatsoever because it was so shallow. So we wanted to try something different by bringing the kayaks out to get the baits way out there into some deeper water to see how that would work. Oh yeah, that's a shark. That's a shark.
Want the other balls in?
Yep, bring him in. Alright, here we go. Shark on. Okay. Can you turn that camera on for me? Here, just bring it over to me if you would. No, on the tripod. Thank you. There we go. Woo! Yeah! I knew it. I knew the kayak would fix this. This ain't a small one, bro. Oh man, I missed this.
Yeah.
You just make sure that camera is facing you.
Yeah.
Alright folks, we're definitely on a shark at the moment.
think I should get that far ball in, or I think it's good?
Man, I think I've seen you on TikTok.
Probably.
I think I have.
It's possible.
That's all I do is watch fishing and hunting stuff.
Right.
It's the only stuff worth a darn.
It is. Whew. Can you grab my phone and film too?
Y'all take the kayak out there?
Yeah, it's so shallow here. I had to go out like pretty far.
Is that how y'all do it? Is that how y'all do it? We're gonna go out there and drop the line?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to get out real far here.
He does YouTube and stuff.
Only downside to going way far out, you got to reel it in.
He made a heck of a run.
He did. Lemons are the worst.
I'll do fishing. I'll do a lot of that.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
Nice stink tonight, huh?
I'm not keeping him. No, I catch and release only, man. I do it for fun. Come on, buddy. Not yet. Not yet. Let's get him a little bit. Yeah, this is a bull shark. So these younger bulls, they also have these black spots on them. All right. So if you'll hold this, hold it tight. Go ahead and put that down. Hold it with both hands if you would, and keep it tight. All right, buddy. All right. Yep. All right, y'all. First shark of the night. Nice little bull. We're gonna go ahead and get him back in the water and get back out there and do some more fishing. Oh shoot! Grab that underwater camera for me.
Now jump on him. There you go. You want to shut this off? I did the whole thing.
All right, y'all. Woo! So after that first bull shark, we had to get another bait out. So Nick took the kayak out to drop a bait, and we got ready to hopefully catch another one. So while we were waiting on our next bite, the guys next to us that were actually over while we were catching the shark, they were fishing, and they ended up catching a really big stingray, and they ended up giving that to us so we would have some extra bait, which is awesome because it's always nice to be able to fill the freezer up and have some shark bait in the freezer for future fishing trips. So big shout out to those guys for hooking us up and helping us out, and it was really nice meeting you guys. Had a really good time chatting with you, and hopefully we'll get to meet up and fish together in the future. So thanks again, y'all. Just hold tight. There's one in my bag, in the big part of my bag. It's the long one. Bring my flip-flops too, would you? Holy crap, that is massive. I don't know. That's gonna fill my whole cooler up.
That's some scallops there.
Nope. Dang.
Just watch those lines over your head. Alright.
He hit it and he came out of the water, and I think he dropped it.
Okay.
We literally just had a shark strike, big one, and the shark completely jumped out of the water and spit the hook. It happens sometimes, and it's unfortunate. Alright, gonna go do another bait drop. We've caught a shark already, which is lovely. Caught a little bull, probably 4-footer. We had a good strike a few minutes ago. It actually breached out of the water, which they'll do that from time to time if they feel any resistance. Crazy thing is, I didn't get any kind of teeth marks on the bait, which we must have grabbed the whole thing in its mouth, which they do that. You could have felt the wire leader and it freaked them out or what, but it happens. So as the sun's starting to go down, we're gonna go ahead and get out nice fresh bait from that big stingray that the guys beside us caught earlier. So we have a nice big bait out for the nighttime and see if we can't get Nick a shark. His first big one. That is the goal. I really wanted him to get the first one, but he said, no, I want you to break your streak. It's like, okay, well, that's fine, my friend. So that's what we did. It feels heavy as crap.
It looks heavy. I get down that rock, maybe that was.
It felt heavy, but it doesn't feel like there's a shark on it. Something's toying with it. That hit was a shark, for sure. It just dropped it. Man, that sucks. Yeah, just reeled this piece in. And we got some good teeth marks running right across through there. You can see them pretty good. So we did miss it, but for whatever reason we got hung on something out there. So not real sure what that was about. So we got it unhung and reeled it in, and now we're gonna get this back out and go ahead and get it out. Nick's gonna take it out this time. Just be a catfish. May want to grab my de-hooker.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a hard head. Yuck. Thank you, sir. Alright everybody, so that's going to do it for today's video, or tonight's video, because it's a little after midnight and we're tired. We couldn't make that second shark happen. We got a couple of pretty good bites, they just couldn't get a hook up, but real excited. We finally figured this spot out. Got to get a kayak or something to get the baits out pretty far to get out of the shallow. So we're definitely going to be coming back here and get him on a shark. Yep. Got to get him a shark. That's the next goal. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys back on the water. Take care. Hello everyone. If you could, I'd love for you guys to check out my father-in-law's YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that I also edit videos for called Bearded Lumber. They are a full-service sawmill and kiln channel, and they are an amazing channel. I hope you guys will check them out. The link is in the description of this video, so check them out. You'll really enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching Third Beard Fishing. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion, and feel free to subscribe here. Thank you.